What's up everybody, I'm really excited for this news to tell you all. This is all about the Xiaomi Redmi K30 new leaks and official poster release. Xiaomi itself released its posters and today we will be taking a look on them. Here is the first poster. You can see an Chinese model holding the gorgeous Redmi K30 Pro variant. Now this is Pro variant because it has got quad camera setup at the rear side, mounted straight in center of this circular module. This looks way much similar to the Huawei Mate 30 Pro, as the circle is totally same like of Mate 30 Pro, but camera alignment is fully different in Redmi K30 Pro. We have quad cameras in straight line, but in Mate 30 Pro it is different. These quad cameras are obviously rumored to come with much higher resolution and much bigger sensor. Most likely one of the sensor among them could have 108 megapixel sensor, but chances for it are actually much lesser. Chances are that Xiaomi will use the Sony IMX686 60 megapixel camera sensor as a primary shooter, and an 8 megapixel telephoto lens, a 13 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, and an 2 megapixel depth sensor. So resolution is going to be much higher in Redmi K30 Pro. And below these cameras you can see the flashlight, and below that flashlight there is a small logo of 5G. So no doubt we will have the 5G variant also in K30 series, and Redmi K30 will have simple triple camera setup. Now Redmi K30 Pro comes with pill-shaped punch cutout design selfie camera setup that is going to be almost of 32 megapixel sensor implemented in it, with a flashlight or 2 megapixel depth sensor, and also we have the TOF 3D sensor in the front camera setup, so that you will be able to secure your smartphone with 3D facial lock system very securely. Here is another photo of a user using Redmi K30 Pro supported live. You can see it's not clear that if this have side mounted fingerprint scanner or not, but if K30 series is going to use LCD display, then it will obviously use the side mounted fingerprint scanner, not in display. But in case of AMOLED displays, we will have in-display fingerprint scanners. This design really looks similar to the Redmi Note 8 Pro and the previous successor of K series, the Redmi K20 and K20 Pro. Redmi K30 will feature a display size of 6.6 inches with display of 20:9 aspect ratio, and Redmi K30 will be powered by Snapdragon 730G processor, the same we have seen in Redmi K20. And Redmi K30 Pro could have the Snapdragon 855 Plus according to rumors, and 5000 milliamps of battery is also predicted in leaks and rumors, with fast charging of up to 27 watts and 6 GB of RAM with 128 GB of internal storage. These factors are also rumored to be in K30 series. This new Redmi K30 series could also come with their newest released MIUI based on Android 10 operating system, come preloaded on devices. That were the new leaks and rumors of Redmi K30 series. Hope you find it useful. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.